If you're looking for a secure way to manage your cryptocurrency, Edge Wallet might have caught your eye. Most people get this wrong. They assume all crypto wallets are the same, but Edge Wallet has some unique features that make it stand out. Edge Wallet is a mobile-first wallet available for iOS and Android. One of its biggest advantages is that it's non-custodial, meaning only you control your private keys. Unlike exchange wallets, no one else can access your funds. This gives you full control, but also full responsibility. If you lose your password or recovery phrase, there's no one to reset it. The wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many ERC20 tokens. It also offers in-app exchange features, allowing you to swap coins directly without leaving the app. Security is taken seriously. Edge uses client-side encryption, PIN codes, and biometric authentication. Most people get this wrong by assuming Edge is just another mobile wallet. The surprising truth is that it combines user-friendly design with high-level security. Beginners can manage multiple coins easily, while advanced users can leverage built-in exchange functionality and portfolio tracking. The downside: mobile-only wallets are always a bit riskier if your phone is lost, stolen, or compromised. While Edge encrypts your data, the security of your device still matters. Additionally, transaction fees can vary depending on network congestion. In short, Edge Wallet is ideal for users who want a mobile-first, non-custodial wallet with broad coin support and integrated exchange features. It's beginner-friendly, but also powerful enough for serious crypto users. If this review helped you decide whether Edge Wallet is right for your crypto needs, subscribe for more honest crypto wallet reviews and tips on keeping your coins safe.